around 3 minutes walk or 4 minutes walk, 5 minutes walk. Hi guys, this is Lexi once again. Welcome back to our channel. It's Friday, January 24, and I'm with Jimmy right now and also Louie. Louie is actually buying some feeds for the chicken. Wait, 300. And then we will be going to the countryside because we will be restocking. We will bring foods and chicken feeds and things that we need to get for them. So Mama and Papa is there already. Jimmy stayed in my city house for 1 week. So he actually helped me with chores around the house. And then right now he will be going back home. I believe we will be having some lunch first before we head to the countryside. So it's already, what time is it? It's almost 1 p.m. Friday. So I'm just gonna take you with us as we go and visit the countryside. Lou is just buying some chicken feeds, and then we will also drop by to the market section because we need to buy some meat and fish for their stocks for the entire week. Okay. Jimmy. Balik ka na?
Kilo po na.
Fresh.
60 pesos.
60 pesos.
Kilo po nga na.
Kilo pa na, sir. Hey to my vlog.
Ila. Ka na. Ila 208.
Ila?
208.
Jimmy, what do you want? Palitaan ni yung oh. Duha. 2 kilo. Labas pa kayo. Tag ilahi-lahi lag cellophane. So big. Si Atay. Jimmy! Ano, malingki si Jimmy, bye. Mamalit mi og lamas. We're gonna buy some spices. Ice cream yummy. Sarado man yata. Ano, malingki si Jimmy kay muli na siya.
Ano lang daw, Bong? Wala ba yung tiyaman, boss?
Tulo lang. Tulo lang may kabok.
Ano na rin yun?
Oo, ano na naman. Ano, ibalot?
Saan na, butsi? Ay, butsi.
Bitso. Di ba? Okay, nice. Okay na mo, Jimmy.
Where is she going? On the countryside.
So we're finished in the wet market section. We're now heading towards the countryside, but we will be looking for some place that we can eat lunch first. Here now, we just gonna drop by here at Carmen's Garden Cafe for our lunch. Okay, let's go na, Jim. We're just here waiting for our order. We seated here outside because Jimmy wanted to bum a smoke.
Ay, dati na ugma pa mo.
So guys, update. We just arrived here in the countryside at exactly 3:45 p.m. and we're just going to like unload the stuff that we bought from the market. So Mama doesn't know that we are here because our plan, it should be tomorrow, which is Saturday. So since it's Friday, she will be surprised that we're here. Let's check it out. We're going now. We just parked the vehicle here. It will only take us around 3 minutes walk, or 4 minutes walk, 5 minutes walk. I am carrying the fishes with me, and then Louie and Jimmy carrying the rice, all of the goods, including the feeds for the chicken. So Mama and Papa will be surprised that we're here. And also, I will be going home later tonight because I still have work, you know. So I cannot absent. That's the land already. Actually, this is the boundary. So you can see the roof of the house. Wait, guys. There you go. We're here. Papa saw us already. So we're here. Sorry, I'm catching my breath. Oh, the dog is so noisy. Ha, mama. Pa. 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 Ha, mama. Shh. Mother. Oh my God, my mom is picking some vegetable. What are you doing? Oh, she's getting some string beans from the garden. Papa is here. Hi to my vlog.
Masyadong mainit no. Kasi inday dil.
Oh, that's batong.
Yung. Uli mo ron.
Oh, uli na ako yung trabaho. Nagkatudro ko mga stocks. Balik ko Domingo.
Oh, hinlo na kayo dito.
Uy, Kubi. It's so nice naman. Oy. Ah, you guys already set fire. Yes, it's already clean. Ma, how are you? So we're here na in our hut. Oh. But it's so hot here because it's already past 3 in the afternoon. Batong. Ano to? Ano sa man? Ano to? Diyan mo itong ice. Ha? Ice?
Isda ba isda? Nana.
Asang buwis na?
Hinlo na kayo dito, oh. Di kuan man basan naman na nagisunog. Sunog dito tanan. Oh, subaon. Ay subaon na ni karon do.
Aga binat butter naman ha.
Yes. I have many
Mungkin utang
food for you
ay
guys.
bata sa kasagapit bagawas.
I have bread of...
Na may uling dala.
Ngay sa katamban ni hatag nga iya.
Oh, kanyo lutuan niyo kay mga daot ni glug yung gulay. So my dogs are here.
Kumpiyansa mo guys mao rin sa iya.
Bread, some food. So pretty much the stuff that I brought from the market are actually essentials because the store is quite far. So we need to get everything for the entire week. Chickens. So cute. So Mama will be cooking a spring rolls, a vegetable spring rolls. Then we bought some fish. Pa, bina ko mapagupit ka. Taas yung buhok.
Taas na ako ni.
Ano ni batangan naglamas? Ay monggos pa doon. King, kalo ay pwede king ay.
Nagrayot gabi si Kobe o duha ka Kobe oy.
Ano man? Away?
Bunlot ni Kobe nga Karaan tong kuandre mo.
Huwag diha.
Hog.
Huwag yan. Itabang kung kaon sa kubi. Suko siya. Bugno silang duha.
Dugay kinahang magbugno.
Dali
Dali
ka na.
na kaya hog bunal-bunalan si kuan. Si Kubi nga kuan. Kani puti.
Ayun ni tatlo palit naman ako ni sa bata.
Bangkan Kubi te. Kuha kay kung paano.
Ay, kani
next.
Kani Kubi ba kay manghagab ra kalit sa paano.
Unang bag.
Ay,
Kubi
kani
nga kanina
daan
po?
nila mas okay. Ano ni? First,
Kubi nga daan.
i-out na niya. Muna una i-consume.
Kani mo kani Kubi na
Yung paano na paano mo yun?
Daan lagi.
daan bag-o eh. Oo, daan ganyan kung paano.
Tanong ba kayo?
Hindi mo na Kubi. Kaya lang naman
Napa dahil sila yung ani, Jong? Dito, Jong?
Yan, nagian naman ako na.
Sa gawas sa palengke.
Ah. Hawak ko, Be. Hawak ko, Be. Mama is cooking spring roll. Lumpia.
Narito ba ito?
Kala na to? Ang kwento mo. Ito na, Jong. Ayaw na. Nanay na ako. Ano ko ah?
Oh, my eggplant. It's so big na. Uy, gima nang gituka-tuka. Shh! Sir! Look at my eggplant, guys. So shiny. Ha! Oh, dagko na kayo kong talong. So remember last week when we sprayed the chemicals? So it turns out that it's effective. So Louis is setting a fire already to those dead bush. Hi, Ming. Kik. Kik. Na healthy kay siya, guys. Wala gini siya ano, wala gini siya chemical. Organic, wala abonyo. Matanong ko pechay diri. Hi, King. How are you doing, King? Hello. Sus. Ah, Kobe. Mama's lumpia is done. Oh,
Kubi, basig mo ka anak, kubi.
vegetable lumpia. Kaya daw ko ma.
Ganang puti nga, baso.
Let's eat, guys. Ano na yung kubi? Ang sila mo siya.
Jimmy, pagkaon na Jim, kaya kuan man zero.
Vegetable.
Nagtaho po, siguro kayo sa kuwan.
Hello, Mingay. How are you doing? So taba-taba kayo, oh. So taba. We have a lot of dogs here in the countryside. We have like 4 dogs here, and then in the city, 5 dogs. We have 5 dogs here, and then in the city we have 6 dogs. And then we have 2 cats. 2 cats in here, and then 2 cats in the city. Okay, eat. Nay na miso.
Wala ka ay. Daghanan ng itlog, upat kabok.
Oh,
Upat ang ng itlog.
there's 4 hen. How many eggs?
Kuan kabok.
Pagkan kayo.
20.
20 eggs. Okay. So that would be the next batch.
Kuan, 5 kasi. 14 yung. Ano sa ito, bangkos?
Si pangaya si mama. Okay. So guys, Jimmy and Louie will be harvesting our peanut that we planted a few months back. So they're now ready to be harvested. Okay, let's go there.
Wala, tangan akong tanong ko.
Alugbati, and then string beans. I have chili and peanut. Okay, let's harvest the peanut. Where's the peanut?
Tapos Jimmy ko.
Hindi mahal. Okay. That's how you do it. Ooh, kagagmay ba daig sulod ana? So this is the peanut that we planted a few months back. So it's ready to harvest na.
Uy, tama na sa kuwan ka ng.
But Mama and Papa already harvested some of it yesterday.
Huwag may sakay mo kung magkakaptan ng hula rin wala man.
Oo, wala kita dala.
Ayun, namay ko na.
So we can roast the peanut later on. And Kikik is so chismosa, oh. Kikik is here as well. Ubi, what are you doing? We have alupate. This is Malabar spinach. And then we have so cute chili. So cute. We have chili in here, and then a spring onion. Then we have kamote tops. And string beans. Well, Mama harvested earlier the string beans. We're harvesting the peanuts already. Oh, the banana is started to sprout already, oh. And then the coconut tree, there's also a produce. So that's actually nice that we were able to plant some of vegetables here, and we are able to harvest. It's just enough, you know, not too much. We can either roast this one or lungagon. What do you call this in English? You boiled it in a water, and that should be ready to eat after. But it's so small, no?
Bagmay pero guwang naman eh.
How many pieces of peanut were you able to harvest yesterday, Ma?
10 kilos.
10 kilos.
Kuan sa planggana. Nabaw.
Kami Jem.
Kobe.
Be, kira dako.
Dako nga.
Iya dako ni puno ano.
That's actually the spring there. You can take a bath in there. In there as well. There's a spring.
Dere gay lubong ni tayo.
Oy, kaluoy pud oy.
Ano da Jem?
Suksok man siya diha.
Asa?
Diha ni suksok. Di kuha na mo kay kanang kuha na to siya ba nagtinal na dito. Sulod na mo dito. Pagka itong gabi ini syagit. Sawa na batay na to ron. Syagit siya. Bagtok yun ang yuta. Morning gamay kay kunod.
So, Jimmy, you should clean this area, Jimmy, ha? Jim, limpyuhan niyo mo ni diri para magtanom na pud ta diri og ano mani.
Ay, itong tuto sumuk-humuk ay mangita tag humuk.
Oh, okay.
Di gahi.
Talong ni diri gwapo ano.
Yeah, talong.
Koralo no kanang kuan ba sukan og kawayan.
Nabi tangkong ya, nang tangkong ya buhi no.
Let's roast this na. Let's go.
Dede Jem.